on, y'all? All right, we just arrived at our pickup and we are here in Mebane, North Carolina. We just checked in. I completely forgot to hit record for that check-in process, but anyways, we got a door 9. This guy said he's gonna load us pretty quick. We just got to slide our tandems to the back and that's it. So he told me door 9, but he's got somebody in door 9. I'm confused. Maybe he meant door 10. Let's go back and ask him. Hey, door 9 is door 8? Yep, okay, door 8. Perfect, thank you. All right, y'all, let's go ahead. Let's back in door 8. That's what he said, so perfect. Man, it's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day in North Carolina. Door 8, let's go ahead. Let's back in, which is right over there between those two trailers. And as soon as we back in, we're good to go. So yeah, let's go. Let's G. Come on. Guys, so we just backed into the dock. We were asked to slide our tandems all the way to the back, so we just did that. They said the weight's going to be about 17,000 pounds on this load, which is awesome. We are going to be flying. We are going up to Massachusetts, Westfield, Massachusetts, which is only like what, 40 minutes away from Greenfield, Mass, where I pretty much just, you know, I spent my childhood there. So for me, I feel like I'm going home. Outside, and I have a Freon leak somewhere in the system. I can't find it for the life of me. I've already been to 3 different shops and they say there's no air leak, there's nothing. When is there nothing when the stuff gets out of my system within a week? So anyways, it's getting too hot. We got to top it off a little bit. I know this is not the proper way to do it, and all you guys in the comments, take it easy. I ain't gonna be toasting in there, man. I don't want to get cooked like a roast duck, you know what I'm saying? So we're just gonna top off some AC, make it blow nice cold air, and we're good to go. So let's do it. Guys, that's it. So let me go see if I got some cold air blowing inside my truck. I think we gotta let it sit for a bit. I got this little air leak, man, somewhere. I think I just found it, I'm not sure. Sorry for the camera shake, I'm trying to take off my gloves. But I'll tell you one thing. At least it's blowing cool air enough where I can withstand this heat, so I'll take it. All right, well, let's wait to get loaded and let's get out of here. Wow, guys, I cannot believe it. Look, so during the making of this vlog right here, look, I know it's not a lot, but we just hit 2,500 subscribers on this channel. Wow, I can't believe it. I know that's not a lot compared to those crazy big channels out there, but for me, that's just like mind-blowing. It's impressive. So, look, just thank you so much. Just really thank you so much. I really appreciate it so much. Keep sharing this video, like it, subscribe, and share it everywhere else. Like, let's get this channel up to 5K. I want to do a giveaway if we get a 5K. If we get a 5K on this channel, I'm doing a giveaway. Y'all ever wonder where all money goes? Right there. Right there. That's where all the money drains. Woo. Man, let's get fueled up. I'm getting hungry. I think it's time for a break. Okay. Man, I'm telling you, you just gotta love Washington, D.C. Or right before Washington. I mean, look, You tell me, is this fun or not? Oh, it's so not good. See that sign right up there? Well, you probably can't see it, but it's where I gotta go. So it's saying US 50. Well, not that one. That says exit 22. I need to get to exit 19. There was a sign right before that said US 50, about like 20 miles or so in like 53 minutes. So 20 miles, 53 minutes, about 30 minutes or so of traffic. I think it's gonna be a little bit longer than that. I mean, what you gonna do, you know? It's part of the life of trucking. I hear West Coast doesn't have this issue, only East Coast. Yeah, I'm still driving up here. Man, why is it so hard to get loads out of North Carolina to the West Coast, man? Oh, yeah. Oh, man. You guys can't even see me? Let's do this. All right, so I got my coffee. I'm good. Good. It's really good. Oh, man. I don't think I'll ever be able to give up coffee. Man, awesome. I'll get old and I'll be drinking decaf. All right, let's go. All right, guys, we just checked in. They pretty much just said pick any door, and yes, we're supposed to just loop around this parking lot. We're gonna have to bear it. I don't know. We'll see. We'll make it. The key got stuck. All right. Seal. Who needs it, huh? All right, let's go. Woo, we got some rolls of something. I'm about to show you what you guys we got loaded with. I don't know if I showed you at our pickup, but here, check that out. Just a whole trailer full of rolls and stuff. And it shouldn't take too long to get empty, I hope. Maybe about an hour or so. Empty? Let's go. Let's G. Man, we got our paperwork. It's time to go. So happy. That was a fast unload, guys. Literally 55 minutes and we are done. I'm just trying to not block anybody. So let's close these doors. Put you guys right here. And we're out of here. All right. See ya. All right, so apparently we just made it our pickup. Man, these guys are loading so fast. I literally just backed into the dock. I didn't even get a chance to pull my brakes. They already put the ramp down and everything. But man, it's beautiful out here. It's good weather. It's nice. It's actually warm. And then there's snow on the ground. Like, there's snow on the ground. So good. Heck yeah. All right. You said you only need the top one, right? Okay.
Since I'm in camera, I'm going to tell you to sign them all.
Yeah? Okay, sounds good. I'll sign them all, man. Yeah, don't worry. I got you.
All right. Trucking with what?
Truck with George.
Truck with George.
That's it. Nice and simple.
There you go.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Right, take care.
Yeah, you too. All right, thank you. Oh, dang, this thing's heavy. All right, yeah, we're gonna have to stop by a scale and make sure we're scaled properly. Pull up on the scale and see how much we weigh. All right. Sweet. All right, guys. Best way to check for the weight on your scale is to use the app. Actually put just a little more weight on the trailer, and I want to do that because I still need to get fuel and stuff. See, when you come a second time through, now it gives you an option for first weigh or reweigh. So we're doing a reweigh. Because if you do a first weigh again, you're gonna pay 13 bucks, but the re-weigh is only like $3, $3.50. Man, a few years ago, it was a lot cheaper. If my thumb was orange, if you all see that, that's because I've been eating like little clementines, little mandarins. Good stuff. All right, let's see what we're looking at right now. All right, check this out, guys. It can't be any more perfect. Oh my gosh, look at that. 11,600, 33,320, 33,320 on truck and trailer. You can't be any more perfect than that on those numbers. Professional. Yeah, North Carolina. Woo! Man, we made it back in North Carolina. It is raining right here, and not that bad, but still, it's raining. We're about 2 hours away from our delivery. Can't wait to get this load off my truck. We'll see if we'll find anything as far as the local run goes. If we do, we'll just go ahead and book it because we actually have the time to do something local. If not, if there isn't anything, then we'll go ahead and we'll just go on and get home. We are here. Check this out. We have to wait here, and there's that truck right there in that dock. And as soon as he pulls out, they said go ahead and back right in. It shouldn't be long at all. It should be pretty fast. So they said, hey, I should be out of here in the next 20 to 30 minutes, which is amazing. We're trying to get the guy with the forklift. That guy to get out of my way, because look how tight the space is right here. So let's try this again. This, like this, and then reset. All right. Slowly we're gonna pull it to an angle. Very happy. Now we just pull forward and straighten out. Look, that's all the space I had, man. That's not that much space. We got to clear that right there. And all right, that's it, y'all. Cool. Hey, we're empty. Let's go. So we're gonna go ahead. Let's go close these doors. And guys, I think that's it. I'm gonna call it a week here. Thanks so much for just watching. Thank you for sticking around with me this week as well, but I'm gonna get going. I said I was gonna probably do another local run. There was a couple loads, but I'm gonna skip out on those. Had a call from my family last night, and my little kiddo, she's sick, my youngest daughter, and she said one thing. She's like, Daddy, please come home. And when that happens, and when you're close to home, you drop it and you go home. Family is very important to me, and yeah, but hey, again, thanks so much for watching. Thanks for staying tuned, and we'll catch you guys next time. Let's go, let's let's get out of here, and y'all, God bless, stay safe out there, peace.